Baking trays are extremely versatile and can be used for everything from making tray bakes to heating up a pizza, and because of this, there are lots of different styles to choose from. For tray bakes, you'll need a deeper tray with a higher wall, for example. But if you're just making cookies, a tray with a low wall is much better. For heating up a pizza, a tray with a perforated base could offer the crispiest results. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best baking trays on the market. We have done our research, and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Baking Sheet. We are already fans of the Caraway cookware set, so it's no surprise that the brand's baking sheet is equally fantastic. This half sheet is made of aluminized steel and coated with Caraway's durable ceramic coating. Wide stainless steel handles are riveted to the pan's body and are easy to grab even when wearing oven mitts. The pan is oven-safe up to 550 degrees and is thick enough to resist warping. In our home tests, this pan performed beautiful cookies came out perfectly golden brown on the bottom, while potato wedges were crispy on the outside. Due to the slick surface, everything released effortlessly, and cleaning up the pans was a breeze, no scrubbing was required. While this pan does cost a little more than a typical baking sheet, we think it will last much longer while providing an enjoyable experience for bakers of any level. It's official. We have launched our beautifully designed and consciously crafted baking sheets on Amazon for everyone to enjoy. It's time to step up your baking game and spruce your kitchen decor. Pros: durable, easy to clean, easy to grip with oven mitts. Cons: pricey. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 2. Nordic Ware Naturals Baker's Half Sheet. Who else recommends it? Epicurious and Food Network also picked the Nordic Ware 2-piece half sheet set. What do buyers say? 85% of 44,800 plus Amazon reviewers rated this product 5 stars. Aluminum baking sheets are classics in the kitchen. While some are cheap and flimsy, these are commercial grade, so they're heavier and much more sturdy. For even better performance, they have rolled encapsulated steel rims so they won't bend or warp in normal use, and they'll never rust or corrode. Both the pan's sturdiness and their resistance to warping garner them high marks from reviewers, though some note that the area of the pans where the company logo is embossed is harder to clean. This set of 2 pans will speed up baking when there are multiple batches of cookies or other baked goods, since one pan can be in the oven while the other is being unloaded, cooled, and reloaded with more cookie dough. Since aluminum is a responsive metal, these will cool quicker when they're out of the oven, so they'll be ready to use faster than steel pans. These half-sheet pans are the most common size in home kitchens, but they are also available in quarter-sheet size for smaller batches and for countertop ovens. These are made in the United States and should be hand-washed. Pros: heavy-duty, rust-resistant. Steel rims help prevent warping. Cons: embossed logos are hard to clean. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 3. Heston Provisions Oven Bond Half Sheet Pan. Stainless steel is typically not an ideal choice for bakeware because it isn't a great conductor of heat on its own. But Heston built this baking sheet like it's high-quality clad pots and pans. Stainless steel is layered over a solid aluminum core to get the best of both worlds. A sturdy build with excellent heat distribution and retention. Because of this, the pan weighs significantly more than your average baking sheet, which means it's not flimsy and will stand up well to frequent use. At-home testing demonstrated the pan's even heating when baking focaccia bread and roasting vegetables for meal prep. The stainless steel surface was also quite easy to clean by hand, requiring light scrubbing with soap, warm water, and a nylon scrubber to remove any stuck-on debris. This pan features wide, flat handles that are easy to grab with oven mitts. It is oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees, and because of its thick construction, it is seriously resistant to warping. If you're looking for a baking sheet with the same quality as your favorite multi-clad stainless pan, this is it, worth the splurge. Pros: heats evenly thanks to an aluminum core. Resistant to warping. Tri-ply construction is built to last. Cons: heavy. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro Half Sheet Pan. Made from aluminized steel with a light-colored non-stick coating, your cookies won't stick or over-brown on this pan. The double-layered coating is reinforced with ceramic for durability and scratch resistance. It resists sticking and keeps the steel from rusting. while the micro-textured pattern minimizes surface contact while maximizing airflow for even baking and easy cookie release. The square-rolled edges look modern and add strength to the pan, so it resists warping, while the edge also provides a secure grip for easy removal from the oven. The pan is dishwasher safe, but hand washing is a snap because of the coating. After you fall in love with this pan, you can buy more pieces of bakeware with the same features for a complete set. Every piece has dimension markings, so you'll know that you've got the right size pan for your recipe. Just note that, as some reviewers point out, the measurements are the outside of the pans, including their sizable rims. Pros: non-stick coating, scratch resistant, bakes evenly. Cons: dimensions are on the outside of the pan. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 5. Wilton Perfect Results Premium Non-Stick Mega Baking Pan. Larger than a typical half-sheet pan, but still able to fit in home ovens, this 15-21-inch baking sheet gives you more room for cookies, biscuits, and pastries. It's also perfect for making extra-long loaves of bread that wouldn't fit on a standard sheet. It's made from steel with a dark finish, so it retains heat well, which keeps cookies from spreading too quickly. The non-stick coating on this baking sheet helps cookies and other baked goods release easily and makes cleanup easier too. While this is dishwasher safe given its large size, it may not fit in most dishwashers. Hand washing with warm soapy water is recommended for longer life. People love that they can cook twice as many cookies on the pan and how easy it is to clean. A few reviewers, however, report some warping at temperatures of 300 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Pros: very large surface area, non-stick, easy to clean. Cons: some report warping over 300 degrees. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Now in the comments about your favorite one, we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, check out the description box. Thanks for watching.